Tummy time. Working on making it work. She's getting tired. Now she's sucking on her fingers instead of trying to use her hands to lift herself up. But she's making progress. There you go, honey. There you go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, so exciting. You're doing such a good job. Look at that head being picked up. Look at you whirling around. Oh, yeah. That's right. Oh, good job. Good job. Good job, honey. Good job. Good job, Cora. Oh, yes. I know it's frustrating, but you're doing such a good job. Yes, you are. Doing a good job. Oh, keep going. There you go. Getting those arms into it. You're almost going to roll right over. If you're frustrated, she's randomly sucking her thumb. Oh, yeah. Starting to get tired? You're okay. You're almost going to roll right over. So good. Yeah, so good. You're going to be on the move fast. You're going to be on the move fast. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I know it. I know it's hard to learn all these things. Mm-hmm. It's hard to learn all these things. I know. Yeah? That's right. You keep fighting. You keep fighting. You keep fighting. Yeah. I know it's hard. This mat's so slippery. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, okay. Say goodbye to Dad. Say goodbye to Dad. Say bye, Dad. Bye-bye.